the XRP verdict yesterday and the victory in court, well, there's a general bullish sentiment and a current wave that is sweeping across the cryptocurrency space and the crypto market. According to data from CoinMarketCap, Cardano has gained 28% in the last 24 hours. It's currently up about 21%, with several other altcoins feeling the big win from XRP and posting some double-digit gains. Now, prior to the price boost yesterday, ADA has shown little to no movement all week. We have been flat, sitting around 28, 29 cents. All of a sudden, we reached a high of 37 cents yesterday. And looking at the broader performance here, Cardano has had a mixed price action since the start of 2023. We've had a little bit of a run here or there, but then it's dialed back. The highest point we've got to is about 41 cents back in February. We almost got back there yesterday. That price surge back in February, however, followed by a bearish trend, bringing Cardano all the way back down to 28 cents thereafter. But what does this mean for Cardano moving forward? Well, the bulls have slowly regained control here, and we got past, if we can get past that 38 cent mark, that's really the big level for Cardano we're watching. If the bulls can continue to regain control here and we can stay above that 38 cent mark, then we could push up toward 42 cents, which is a number we kind of didn't really maintain back in February when we just scraped it. That's really what we're eyeing right now. We're trying to get above 38 cents, stay above it, and then we have some room to run to 42 cents, and that could be where Cardano could really start to boil over and really see some nice gains. Now, long term, guys, you guys know how I feel about Cardano, but yesterday, let's talk about yesterday. That was a big win. That's a big win for not only Ripple, but for everybody invested in some of the top altcoins. It goes for Cardano, Polygon, Solana, all of these ones that were listed in this mess of the SEC versus Binance issue. This basically says that all of these cryptos on exchanges, the sales of them on exchanges are not securities. That was the precedent set, major precedent set for Cardano yesterday. And I think that cannot go unnoticed. That is very, bullish for the future of ADA. And I think everybody should be excited. This is a big win. I know I'm pumped about this yesterday. And man, a lot of brighter days ahead now for the major altcoins out there. Can't wait to bring you guys more. Appreciate you guys so much. Cardano, ADA holders, what a day. And this is a huge precedent set, big for the future of Cardano. Excited. We'll see you. Bye.